Hi, everybody. This is Dylan from Balloonary.com, and today I'll give you a brief introduction to how easy it is to launch ads with Balloonary and the Balloonary AI. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or business owner and want to advertise your product or service online, but you don't have endless time or cash to spend on launching campaigns, then stick around because Balloonary is probably the right tool for you. Okay, let's get started. So all you really need is a website for your business. Let's use a DJ school from Luxembourg as an example for this video. This is their website, and now let's just copy their URL, move over to Balloonary. This is the app. We've already logged in here, and just paste in the URL that we just copied. Okay, now let's hit Scan Website, and our AI will now do just that and output a description of your business. Make sure you review the description so it reflects what your business is actually doing. This is kind of important because your ad suggestions will be based on this. Once you're happy, just confirm. Now select the platform you want to advertise on. Let's pick Instagram for now and let the magic happen. Okay, the AI has now generated suggestions for your ad copy. Let's select one that seems appropriate and move on to the ad design. For that, we just click here. Your existing images have already been imported into our design editor, but you can also upload your own images or existing designs. Also, our AI suggests images that might be interesting for you. Okay, let's build a design from scratch here. I'll pick an image to get started. Let's say this is one that makes sense for us. The cropping is fine, so we click Next. Okay, let's say we just want the image and some overlay text. Awesome. Now all we need to do is select the punchline. That sounds good. Let's say use this design. Great, that's it. Next, we should focus on the targeting. Just set the area that you want to advertise in. And of course, you need some interests. So that is where you target people that might be interested in your ad. So sure, music production center, disc jockey, electronic music. Yeah, that sounds good. Finally, we have to choose what you want to spend. So let's start by picking a one-off campaign because we want to start testing what is possible with this campaign. And it's, of course, your choice how much you want to spend. So we can dial it down to 50 euros. And then you can select for how long your Facebook ad or Instagram ad is supposed to run. Let's say 1 day is enough for us. And you can see that you get 60 clicks in this case with 18,000 impressions. And let's say that's something we like. So we now have the choice to proceed to payment, and that's what we'll do. All right, now we can pay. Great, that's it. We've just completed the setup for our first ad campaign and are ready. And don't worry, our experts will have a look at it before it actually goes live and help you if needed. Should you, for some reason, want to stop your ad early, the unspent budget will be credited to your account as Balloonary credits that can be used for your next campaign. Feel free to reach out to us via chat or email and talk to our experts should you get stuck along the process. We are always happy to help. Hope to see you soon on Balloonary.com.